Hello viewers, I am Mohit Malhotra, an associate at Diaries. So today I will be talking about the Pinochet case. It is a landmark legal case involving the extradition and prosecution of former dictator Augusto Pinochet. So here I will summarize the same. The case originated from the arrest of Augusto Pinochet in London in 1998 following a request for extradition from Spain. The Spain sought Pinochet's extradition to face charges of human rights violations, including torture and genocide committed during his rule in Chile. So Pinochet's defense argued that he was entitled to immunity as a former head of state. The House of Lords, the highest court in the United Kingdom at that time, reviewed the case and examined the issue of sovereign immunity and international human rights law. The House of Lords ruled that the Pinochet did not enjoy immunity from prosecution for acts or tortures committed during his regime, as torture is considered a universal crime under the customary international law. The decision affirmed the principle of universal jurisdiction, which allows the state to exercise jurisdiction over certain serious crimes such as torture, regardless of where they were committed or the nationality or the victim. The House of Lords also held that the Pinochet's claim of immunity based on his status as a former head of state was not absolute and could be waived in cases involving the grave human rights violation. So the case had significant implications for the development of international criminal law, establishing the principle that individuals, including the former head of the state, can be held accountable for the serious human rights abuses. Ultimately, due to health concern, Pinochet was not extradited or prosecuted, but the case played a crucial role in advancing the global fight against impunity and the recognition of human rights as a matter of universal concern. So here viewers, I will wind up this video. If anyone of any doubt regarding the same, do let me in comment section, for which I will try to reach the same in no time. Thank you.